Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you how I like to make my apple crisp. A few days ago I went apple picking and I got about 20 pounds of apples, so be prepared for lots of apples recipes. But today I'm going to share with you my apple crisp, which is delicious, it's easy. Top it with some vanilla ice cream and you are in business. So if you want to see how it comes together, make sure you keep on watching. Alright, so to make this, you're going to need some apples that I kind of thinly sliced. You're going to need some flour, and here I have a combination of sugar and cinnamon, lemon juice, salt, cold butter cubed, and then here this is going to be for our topping. So I have some old-fashioned oats, brown sugar, some cinnamon, flour, and a pinch of salt. You're also going to preheat your oven to 350 and then grease a baking dish. So for the filling, what we're going to do is into our apples, we're going to squeeze a little bit of our lemon juice. Just a little bit. Oops, we don't want the seed in there. And then, we're going to put in our flour. And the flour is just going to help when the juices kind of release from the apples. It's going to help to kind of make it a little bit thicker. And then sugar and cinnamon and a pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix this up and put it into my baking dish. Okay, so into my topping mixture, which is just oats, flour, sugar, cinnamon, salt, I'm going to add in my cold cubed butter. And it's important that the butter is cold in this, so try to leave it in the fridge until you're kind of ready to work with it. And then using my pastry cutter, I'm just going to cut it into the dough. You can also do this using the back of a fork, or you can just kind of do it in your food processor, kind of, you know, zhuzh it up if you want. But for this amount, I really don't feel like dirtying the food. So my apples are in my baking dish, and then here is my topping. As you can see, I didn't kind of squish it in there, I kind of just broke it up a little bit. And then I'm just going to throw this over the top of my apples. And I'm going to bake this for about 35 to 45 minutes, or until everything is cooked through. So you're just looking for your apples to be soft, for the top of your topping to be nice and crumbly and just beautiful and golden and bubbly. I get so excited just talking about this dish. Alright, I hope you guys find this helpful. Thank you so much for spending your day with me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.